If you're a content creator, there is a very high chance you're using the wrong tools. And I'm going to prove that in the next 2 minutes. Let me guess, you've searched best AI video editor. So what you've done afterwards is probably you watched 4 videos, you read 3 blogs, you tried 2 free trials, and then you cancel probably 1 subscription. But you're still not sure if you picked the right one. And listen to me, that's not your fault, because sometimes internet doesn't help you decide. It overwhelms you, and I've personally experienced that. But here is the crazy part. Most creators actually doesn't need the best tool. They need the best tool for their workflow. And those are completely different things. So I built something to fix that. This is ClipMatch AI, and it's basically the TripAdvisor, but only for content creators. So how it works? Well, you answer a few simple questions. For example, what do you create? How many videos per month? Budget, beginner or advanced? Automation or full control? And then it ranks the best tool, but specifically for you. No popularity, no sponsorships, no random opinions. It finds the best tools, but only for you. And here I will give you an example. Let's say that you post 4 YouTube videos per month, and it takes you 3 hours to turn each one into shorts. That makes it 12 hours. So what the app will do, it shows you tools that could cut down that to 3 or 4 hours in total. And the simple math is that you're saving 8+ hours every single month. That's literally an entire workday. Can you imagine what can you do with another extra 8 hours? You can create more content and you can grow your channel. And here is the thing, guys. Creators doesn't fail because they lack talent. They fail because they waste time on the wrong tools. And I'll tell you, I've done that. I wasted so much time on the tools that I don't need. And that's why I wanted something that removes the decision fatigue. Something that just says, this fits your workflow, start here. Simple. So guys, go and give it a go. I'm genuinely curious to find out what you're thinking about these two. And it's completely free. I'm not charging anything for these two. I just want to help all the video creators like myself to find the best tool for themselves, help them save time and money, and help them grow. So please, the link is in the description down below. So yeah, go give it a go and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Also, I want to thank you for your time, and I will appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.